ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శ్రీరామచంద్ర పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం నమో వసిష్ఠ విశ్వామిత్ర వ్యాస వాల్మీకి సుకాదిభ్యః. యోగవాసిష్ఠ రత్నాకరము నిర్వాణ పూర్వార్థం భగీరథోపాఖ్యానం. Bhagirath is a yatha prapta jivi. So Bhagirath, before going and doing tapas to get the Ganga down, there is a large story which has happened that is now being narrated by Vasishtha Maharshi to Sri Rama. In that Bhagiratha belongs to the same Ikshvaku Vamsa. So Bhagiratha is thinking at one point in time, after doing the kingdom, after ruling the kingdom for a while, he started thinking like this. Bhagiratha Vacha Punardinam Punasyama Dana Jatam Punaha Tadeva Bhukti virasam lakshate karma kurvatam. So again that same day, again the same night. So the dana adana, so giving, taking, the transactions are happening. So tadeva bhukti virasam. So again and again we are enjoying the same things. Rasa virasam. So lakshate karma kurvatam. So we are continuing to do the same activity which is not really taking anywhere to the eternal. Yena praptena lokesmin aprapyam avasishyate tat krutam sukrutam manye sesham karma vishuchika. So that yena praptena, by gaining that, lokesmin, in this world, prapyam aprapyam avasishyate, so there is nothing need to be attained further. Tatkrutam sukrutam manye, that karma, that action is sukrutam, that is the great thing. Sukrutam manye, I think that is what is the right action. Sesham karma vishuchika, everything else is a vishuchika, is a disease of karma. It's a type of disease of karma. That is what Bhagiratha thought deeply inside. Punah punah paryushitam karma kurvanna lajjate muda buddhistu kak kuryat kila balavat. So again doing the same thing. Nobody is thinking about this karma in this way. Muda buddhi, that is foolishness, are like a childishness, not mature thought. Kuryat balavat, like bala. So in this way he thought to himself, Bhagiratha thought to himself. Then he gone in search of a guru. Then he finds a guru known as Tritala. Three talas is three planes. Tritala Maharshi. He goes to Tritala Maharshi and says, Bhagiratha Uvacha, Jaramarana Mohadi Rupanam Bhavakarinam Bhagavan Sarvadukhanam Kadhamantah Prajayate. Hey Bhagavan, Jaramarana Mohadi Rupanam, by old age, death, moha, delusion, Rupanam Bhavakarinam, all these are the causes of birth again. Samsara. Bhagavan sarvadukhanam kadhamanta prajayate. Hey Bhagavan, what is the end of sarva dukkhas, all the sadness, dukkha in this world? Tritala Maharshi says this way. Chirasamyatmanottheta nirvibhaga vilasana rajan జ్ఞేయావబోధేన పూర్ణేవ భరితాత్మన క్షీయంతే సర్వదుఃఖాని తృట్యంతి గ్రస్థయోభితః సంశయాః సమతాం యాంతి సర్వకర్మాణి చానఘ. So Tritala Maharshi said, Chirasamyatmanotthena. So Chirasa sadhana chatushayam. So whatever is traditionally method is there. What getting the sadhana chatushayam, Sravana Manana, going to a guru, Nirvibhaga Velasana, Rajan Jneyava Bodhena, by realizing what is to be realized, which is Purnena Bharitatmana, which is ever fulfilled, ever filled, everything filled in it. Such Atma, knowing that Kshiyante Sarva Dukkhani, all the Dukkhas will go away. Trutyanti Grastayo Bhitaha, so they immediately they will go. Trutyanti Grastayo Bhitaha. So that Pratyagatma you have to go and know. Bhagiratha Vacha. Kim tatra pratipattirme sphutatame netara yetavan atma samvittihi syamaham bhagavan katham. So he says, Bhagiratha correctly admits to him. So beyond these bodies, there is an Atma that conceptually I know. But I have no realization of it. So how do I get that realization? Tritala Maharshi is saying, Tritala Uvacha, Jnanena Jneyanistattam Yeti Cheto Hrudambare Tataha Sarva Vopur Bhutva Bhuyo Jivo Najayate. Jnanena Amanitvam Adambhitvam Daivi Sampat, which is combined into a Jnana. Jneya Nishthatvam Yeti, when the heart comes, mind goes and stays in its source called heart, Chitta, and it gets established there. Chittatvam Choto Hrudambare, Chit Hruda Ambare, in heart lotus, the mind goes and establishes itself in that. Tataha Sarva Vapur Bhutva, then being realized the oneness of all the bodies, realizing in all the bodies the same self. Bhuyo Jivo Najayate, then again the limitation of Jiva is not superimposed on such Chaitanyam, such Chaitanyam. Asakti Anabhishvangaha Putradara Gruhadishu Nityancha Samachittattvam Ishtamishthopapattishu Atmano Ananya Yogena Tadbhavanam Anaratam Vivikta Desha Sevitvam Aratir Janasansadi Adhyatma Jnana Nityatvam Tattva Jnanardha Darsanam Etad Jnanamiti Proktam Ajnanam Yadatonyatha. These three slokas what Tritala has used as is are seen in Bhagavad Gita also. In Bhagavad Gita 13th chapter we will see these three slokas with a slight modification. Ananya Yogena Atmano Maya Ananya Yogena, it will come in that way in the Bhagavad Gita. But this is the Vairagya, Viveka Vairagya Sampatti. So how to get it? That is the three slokas. Raga Dvesha Kshayakaram Samsara Vyadhibheshajam Aham Bhavopasantautu Rajan Jnanam Apapyate. So Ragadveshas, attachment and repulsion, removing those samsara vyadhi bheshasham, that is the bheshajam or the medicine for the samsara vyadhi. Ahambhavopasantau, ahambhavam, the ego, upashanti, this upashanti, removal of it to Rajan jnanam avapyate. O Raja, you will get the jnana. Bhagiratha Uvacha. Shariresmins chirarudho girau toruriva swake ahambhavo mahabhaga vadametyajyate katham. So in this body it is rooted so much and like a shariresmin chirarudho, chira for long time it is arudho girau toruriva swake, like a huge tree on the mountain, how it is completely rooted in that this thing. In the same way, the Hambhava, Mahabhaga, how such a deep-rooted concept of ahambhava is to be removed. Tyajyate kadam, how to give that up. Tritala Maharshi uvacha, Tritala uvacha. Paurushena prayatnena tyaktva bhogaugha bhavanam gatva vikasitam sattam ahankaro viliyate. So, Paurushena, by Purusha Prayatna, one's own effort, Prayatnena, proper right path, taking on to the right path, Tyaktva Bhogaugha Vasanam, Bhoga of Bhoga Vasana, the attachment to the Bhogas, giving up such thing, Gatva Vikasitam Sattam, by there the Satta, that reality, Vikasitam, when it blooms, Ahankaro viliyate, the Ahankara will merge in it, viliyate, automatically it will dissolve in it. Yantranapagnaram yavad bhagnam lajjadinakhilam akinchanatvaseshena sphuta tavadahankruti. So, Lajja Abhimana Nirmitamaina Gruha Shakti. So, with Sarvatyagam, so giving up all these different activities, different emotions attached to this Ahankara, until you give up all those things, it will continuously dance. Sarvameta Dhyatvakta Yadi Tishtati Nischalaha Tadahankara Vilaye Tvameva Paramam Padam. Once you give up attachment to everything objective seen here, Tyaktva yadi tishtati nichalaha, without wavering, you sit. Tada hankara velaye tumeva paravam padam. So that you realize you alone are the paramam padam, great padam, great supreme abode, as you realize. Syanta sesha visheshano gata vigata bhi santyakta sarvaishano gatva mamana kinchanat Tvamarishutyakva samagram shriyam Syantahan krutirastadeha kalanastveshyeva bhikshamatam Mavavyunjitavanalam yadi bhavan tyuchais swamuchairapi. So give up everything, all your kingdom, chatra, chamara, attachment to everything without any fear. While giving up, don't have any fear. Give up all the sarva yeshana. Be a common, normal, simple person. All the Aishwarya, you give it to your enemies. Leave the interest in the body also. Give up ahankara. You beg in front of your enemies. Then you give up that yourself. Then you will realize the final goal of Parabrahma in you, what is there after giving up all this fluff. Having said this, Tritala Maharshi, then Bhagiratha goes out and he will give up all his kingdom. He will donate all his kingdom to his enemy king and goes away into it. And Tritala Maharshi at one point in time says, you give up attachment to Guru also, Tritala also. So give up, so with the attachment to Guru's words of Tritala, Bhagiratha gave up everything else. Now finally Guru says, you give up attachment to me also, give me also up and go away. Then he says, Shastra says never you should give up on a Guru, but he says that is leaving Guru with Ahankara is what is not accepted by Shastra. But when Guru says you leave Guru, you have to leave Guru also. Then he becomes Sarva Sangha Parityagi, he becomes Yatha Prapta Jivi. Whatever comes to him, he takes it, he continues to do, goes away like that. In the process of time, again Tritala Maharshi and Bhagiratha meet in that wandering, and they go together without talking anything about Laukika in this world, Loka. They continue to go roam around for a while. Then, in the process of time, again a situation comes. All the Bhagiratha's Samrajya will be given back to him as bhiksha one time by the mantris. In due course of time, then he takes the kingdom again, and then at that time he goes and gets this tapas of the Shiva, brings the Ganga to this world and to the Patal Loka. So this is iti Sri Valmikiye Mokshopaye Sri Yoga Vasishta Ratnakare Nirvana Prakarane Purvardhe Bhagirathopakhyanam Nama Sashtodhyayaha. This is the Bhagiratha Maharshi's this thing. Eventually, today it happens to be 18,000 days completion of the life in this body. So 18,000 days works out to 36,000 sandhyas. Sandhya are the junction times from day to day, night turning into day, day turning into night. Such sandhyas, having witnessed so many sandhyas, thought of doing my Nitya Parayana of Sri Yoga Vasishtam on this Facebook Live, just to record the thought process of how to get the eternal. Sarvam Sri Uma Maheshwara Parabrahmarpanamastu. Swasti. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.